Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com and your Weather Authority app. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces, and this is your Monday morning forecast update. Wake up on Monday morning, kind of wonder what we're getting into, and it's always a flip of the coin this time of the year, but looks like we are in for some more warm spring-like weather, and that will include some spring-like rains later this week. So we will start the week on a dry note today. A lot like yesterday, we'll start out with some cool morning temperatures and then wind up comfortably in the low 80s this afternoon. Temperatures for most of us in the 50s, but there will be a few of you that feel that cooler 40-degree air this morning, so you may need a jacket just about an hour or two, but it should turn into a pretty warm day for us today in the Arklatex. So there is a cold front that's just to the north of us. That's what's going to stir up some of the scattered clouds that we'll see today, but I think it will just be a partly cloudy day here. And this front will stay to the north of us today, so it is not expected to bring any cooler air or any rainfall to the Arklatex today, but we may begin to see a few showers pop up in the weather pattern tomorrow, but more likely we'll settle into the rain Wednesday through Friday. So for today, pretty warm day. Average high is about 68 degrees, and once again we'll be in the low 80s, so those 80-degree temperatures return for much of the week here. And our next storm system really that will bring us any kind of decent rain will be the one that's here digging down the west coast. It's actually going to stall out a cold front over us Wednesday through Friday, but the atmosphere will start to feel the humidity come back a bit today as well as tomorrow. And the only other thing worth mentioning today would be the breeze. There will be a wind out there, maybe 10 to 15 miles per hour this afternoon, so the wind not likely to cause any issues, but it will be a borderline breezy day for us. And you can see late tonight we get some fog, we get some clouds coming in, so the clouds back with us on Tuesday, and likely we'll see just a few spotty showers out there, not much in the way of any measurable rain on Tuesday, but a better chance of this next front settling in Wednesday. And this front will just kind of stall here in the northern Arklatex for much of the week, so occasionally we'll pull some rain off of that Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And as far as any severe weather this week, it looks like low end potential that we could see some wind or hail with any storms on Wednesday. If there's any day that we're watching this week for the potential of severe weather, it may be Thursday, because we'll get a better push from this front late Thursday into early Friday, so there may be some low-end severe weather probabilities for us maybe late Thursday into early Friday morning. Really kind of an unsettled and to-be-determined pattern this week, but as far as any kind of severe weather outbreak like we saw last week, signs don't point towards that, but it may have to watch the front for just a few strong storms later in the week. And I do think some areas of the northern Arklatex could see a few inches of rain, but we'll taper those amounts down towards I-20. So I think we'll see more rain in Texarkana this week than we will see, let's say, in Shreveport. But we will see those scattered storm chances basically Wednesday through Friday. Friday we'll start to feel some of that cooler air come in, and we'll rebound just a little on Saturday, but we do have another cold front coming in on Sunday. So Sunday looks to be breezy and a little cooler with some showers passing through late in the weekend, but do have dry conditions in the forecast for Saturday for now. But if you do have some outdoor weekend plans, make sure you're keeping an eye on this forecast throughout the week.